Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mateyena and I am back with my worst natural hair products of 2019. Unfortunately, it's very sad to make these videos because when the products don't work for me, that means it has been a waste of money. Before I get to these products, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, leave all comments and questions down below and let's get to it. So I have a full bag right here. And like I seem to have quite a bit of product that didn't work for me. That's not good. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start with this. Alicate Natural Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. This product, I have to say, was one of the most disappointing products for me. Because my favorite black shampoo used to be by Shea Moisture Black Soap. But they discontinued it. So as soon as I saw one from Alicate Natural, I was very excited because I love most of their products, but I was so disappointed. It wasn't cleaning my hair. It was just getting mixed up with all the dirt in my hair and was getting like gummy or sticky in my hair. So I don't know if this is a defective shampoo or I don't know. If I could find like another simple size or if somebody have this that I could borrow and try it, I would, because I don't want to believe that this product was awful on my hair. The next product that didn't work for me is the Andrew Walker hair products. This is the shampoo. I have to say the shampoo is extremely very drying for my hair. The conditioner has like zero moisture in it. It just sits on my hair and it doesn't do anything. So it's not doing anything for my hair. Two products from the Chi line. So this is the Curl Define Humidity Resistant Leave-In Conditioner. I don't have any problem with this product, but just the pump, like you can hardly get any product out. So when a bottle makes it hard for me to use a product, I'm not going to waste time trying to find a different bottle for it. I'm just not going to use it. So because of how the product comes out like little at a time, it's just too much work for me. So no, I don't like it. It didn't work for me. The Chi Aloe Vera with Agave Nectar Curl Defining Controlling Gel. Although this was a great gel, only if you use it with all the Chi products, the same products in the line. But if you try to mix it up with some other products, it's gonna flake, and it just doesn't flake. It has like these huge fat flakes. It just flakes all over the place. And I'm not gonna always repurchase all the line in the Chi line. I'm a product junkie, so I'm not always gonna go and buy the full kit just to use it with us. So this doesn't mix well with my other products. Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Scalp Scrub. I do have a review for this. I'll link it above. So this product is just a bit too expensive. It has a brush that's not working very well for me. And then the product, I only got like 1.5 use out of it. So it's not a good deal for the price, and it just doesn't work for my hair. I just don't like it. It was too much work, but I'll leave the review up so you can see it for yourself. Moisture Miracle Heat Activated Mask by African Pride. So this product, I did use it completely. It does smell good, but I don't think it did anything for my hair. I use it with heat and without heat, and I really don't think it did anything for my hair. I do love some other African Pride products, but this one I'm not going to repurchase. I have two Cantu products. So I really love leave-in conditioners, liquid leave-in conditioners. I love them. If you watch my channel, you know I use so many of them. So I decided to try this one by Cantu, but I didn't like it. It didn't do anything for my hair. It was just like spraying water to my hair. I didn't feel that it didn't do anything. It was just sitting on my hair, which I actually think that water actually penetrates my hair better. Apple cider vinegar dry co-wash. So I did buy this for when I had braids, but I don't think it cleaned my braids very well. It actually causes me a lot of buildup. So my favorite shampoo is from ORS, the one that's kind of like purple in a clear bottle. That has always worked well for me when I have braids as a dry shampoo. So I decided to try this, but I don't think this did great. Briogeo Rosarico Milk Leave-In Conditioner. So I did use this product completely because it's such a very expensive product, but I hate it because it has like a spray bottle and the spray is so hard and difficult to use, and it took me years to finish this little bottle simply because the spray was not working for me. And I'm not going to spend this much money on a product just for me to repackage it, so I'm not repurchasing this. Rogaine for women. I did get this when I had my hair transplant. I just used it a few times and I stopped using it simply because this comes in a foam form. So when I will put it on my hairline, I'd rather just be in foam and just absorb into my hair, my scalp, and do what it needed to do. But as soon as I put it on my hairline, it turns into water and it starts running down my face, and I just didn't like that. This is Cream of Nature Eden Natural Oil Infused Hydrating Conditioner. I was very disappointed in this product because this conditioner left my hair dry. The shampoo is very moisturizing. So after the shampoo that just moisturized my hair, I go in with the conditioner and it ends up leaving my hair very dry. So no. One and Only Speed Style Sulfate Free Quick Drying Shampoo. I did get this shampoo for $1 from the Dollar Tree. However, this shampoo is $9.99 on Walmart.com, but it didn't work for me because it was extremely drying for my hair. So I'm thinking maybe it's not made for my hair. I bought it because it was like originally $9 and it was like $1 at Dollar Tree. I thought that was a great deal, but I end up wasting $1. My last products will be the L'Oreal Blow Dry Thermal Smooth Cream. I did buy it because sometimes I do like to blow dry my hair, but unfortunately because it's in a cream form, once I blow dry my hair it ends up flaking all over my hair, and then you can see all the white things, the white flakes on my hair. This is all the product that I've tried for this past year 2019 that didn't work for me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave all the comments down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.